Alright, can you guys see this? Bruce here. We have an old bag, lawn bag, that is actually in not too bad a condition except it's had a hole worn right here. And I've looked around the place and I've got a potting pot that's really made out of tough plastic. So I'm just going to cut a strip out of here and rivet it onto here, maybe 2 layers. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean this with brake parts cleaner, and then we'll add our patch. It's going to be a 3-layer job. I mean, all we're trying to do is just continue the use of said item. Okay, now our pretty plastic cover, we're going to make it bigger than that. First I'm going to cut it big. Will that do it? Okay, we need one exactly that size for the inside. Remember, we're not building the space shuttle, right? Alright, so those are very close to the same size. One inner and one outer. Need a rivet gun. I don't have too many washers left. So this rivet gun is 1/8 of an inch, which I have in my new drill, right? Start right there. And we'll get the other one mated right up. We'll drill the hole before we start. You seeing this? And these four will get us started. Alright. Now the standard rivet I use is the 1/2 inch one. Okay, so inside it's like that. I don't know if you can see in there. There you go. And I'm going to use as many washers as I've got to hold this together. Rivet gun. Dead. Now I've got a nice fancy rivet gun, but I prefer this old guy. There we go. Perfectamundo. so on and so forth. Hey, it's gonna work! I'm just going to continue going around here and I'll show you when I'm finished, guys. Okay. There's my repair. It's just going to hold grass, right? And then there's the inside shot.